So there were very easy questions. Now see the question number 1 itself. The statement, read the statement number 3. Read the statement number 3 that this Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank does not have any members from outside India. Does not have any members from outside India, outside Asia. Okay, is it possible? Okay, Asian Infrastructure Development Bank, Asia में ऐसे सिर्फ जापान is there, China is there, we have these countries, but is Asia, ये जो ये बैंक खुद से चला सकता है? नहीं. So there are outside members. So here you apply the elimination technique. Now understand this. Understand this. This is how you apply the elimination technique. The statement 3 is wrong. Statement 3 is wrong. Directly your option number B, option number C, option number D goes wrong. D goes wrong. Okay. So your answer automatically comes as A. Your answer automatically comes as A. So this is how you have to attempt each and every question. Okay. So the first, in the last year, there were multiple questions from economics. Many questions from economics. Okay, we will see that. The question number 1 was from economics. Again, question number C, second number. I think which committee was there? S से name चालू होता है. Sunil Mehta or some kind of committee like that. I think Sunil Mehta committee. I forgot the name of the committee which suggested this intercreditor bank agreement. Okay, that time the issue of the NPA was in news. Now people say that reading Vision magazine is useless. Reading Vision magazine is useless, but these are the things asked from Vision magazine itself. ये सारी चीजें जो थी विजन मैगजीन से ही थी. Okay, so intercreditor bank agreement, again answer is D option. The name is to faster resolution. Okay, then there was the question about public sector bank. Again, this was in the current affairs. When people say that, okay, we read current affairs of 1 year, we read current affairs of 2 year, but they don't read it properly. They don't read it properly. Okay, if you are not reading it properly, how will you? My voice is coming low. Okay, okay, so I will try to increase it. Okay, so you have to read the question properly. At least try to read the question twice. At least try to read the question twice. Okay, so moving forward. Again, this was question from the economics. See the question number 4 again. See the question number 4 again. How you have to apply the common sense. How you have to apply the common sense. Okay. In the question number 4 itself, the first statement, see the first statement. Petroleum and the Natural Gas Regulatory Body is the first regulatory body set up by the government of India. Okay. This PNGRB is the first regulatory body constituted by government of India. Is it possible? चलो लेट से 1 सेकंड के लिए मान भी लेते हैं कि चलो मुझे ये तो साल पता नहीं था कि ये कब आया था, लेकिन जस्ट इमेजिन कि ये तो रिसेंट का ही होगा, बिकॉज दीज रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज केम वेरी एट अ वेरी लेटर स्टेज. बिकॉज हमारे तो 1950 जब हमें तो इंडिपेंडेंस मिला था तब तो हमें वी हैड टू मेक द अरेंजमेंट फॉर द फूड एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो हमारे पास वो टाइम तो नहीं था कि हम कोई पेट्रोलियम का बॉडी बना ले. ओके, सो दिस वाज सम रीसेंट इंसिडेंट. तो आप ये कॉमन सेंस लगाइए, क्या क्या ये फर्स्ट बॉडी हो सकती है? नहीं, राइट. सो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका अगर स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 रॉन्ग है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका आंसर आता है बी. This is the logic. This is how the common sense has to be applied. ये होता है common sense. Now ये common sense, you have to nurture this common sense. You have to nurture. Rupal, you will find that in the bottom section. Okay, good. Okay, those please cooperate. Please cooperate. Okay, you mute your video as well as audio once you join the discussion. Okay, so moving forward, yes, I will try to speak in English only. See, this was the easiest way to solve this question. There are two things. There are two things. One is your knowledge. One is your knowledge. Second is your approach. How you solve the questions. So आप knowledge से it is not possible to have all the knowledge. Never. It is not possible. So आप सब तो कुछ जान नहीं सकते. Sometimes you have to use the techniques. Then these kind of techniques will help you to get through this exam. Okay, so the fourth question. Then the fifth question, I got this question wrong in the question paper. See how I got this question wrong. This is very interesting. Now LTE is commonly marketed as 3G and VoLTE is commonly marketed as advanced 3G. ये इसका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. LTE and VoLTE again both they are LTE, sorry, VoLTE is 4G. You know that because you are using Jio. Okay, तो आपको तो ये पता है. Now LTE is the data only technology and VoLTE is the voice only technology. आप many people get confused because of that VO. Okay, but in the VoLTE also, okay, आप चलिए आपको एक टेक्निकल टर्मिनोलॉजी कुछ पता भी नहीं है तो भी आप ये क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, सी मैं यही माय अप्रोच हियर is it is not possible to solve every question by knowledge. You have to apply the common sense and you can again solve this question by common sense. So statement 2 भी wrong होगा. Okay, now statement C 6 जो था it was in the current affairs. It was in current affairs. It was bit difficult question. So ये जो था, again I won't discuss these questions because you can leave these questions. We will again discuss which questions has to be left. Okay, जो questions छोड़ने थे हम वो भी question discuss करेंगे. Okay, now see I don't know why people got the question number 7 wrong. This ease of doing business, जब से this Prime Minister Modi government came, we are continuously improving in the ease of doing business, and ease of doing business we read from the every current affair. So how can you get the wrong? See, maintenance of law and order, what is the relation of it? What is the relation of ease of doing business index? Again, ये भी बात के ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, नो. ओके, तो ये भी क्वेश्चन इजी था. Then extended producer responsibility, again this was in current affairs. Again this is from Vision Eyes and I am not advertising Vision Eyes. My approach here is those classroom people, when they tell you okay, you have to read these things, you have to read that things, again note down this thing, note down. You don't have to read the current affairs from 10 sources. You don't have to read the current affairs from 10 sources. 2 sources, if you have time, 2 sources would be sufficient. आप पढ़ना चाहते हो, विजन का मंथली पढ़िए, एंड देन इनसाइट्स का आप कंपाइलेशन पढ़ सकते हैं. विजन मंथली एंड इनसाइट्स कंपाइलेशन वुड बी सफिशिएंट. और करंट अफेयर्स, यस, करंट अफेयर्स लास्ट का प्रीलिम्स जब से हुआ तब से अभी करना पड़ेगा. हिंदू एंड इंडियन एक्सप्रेस वही तो किया है, वो लोगों ने कंपाइल वही किया है. ये विजन और ये लोग क्या बाकी कुछ कहीं से नहीं लाते हैं, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस और हिंदू से ही लाते हैं. ओके, सो एक्सटेंडेड प्रोड्यूसर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हाउ कैन यू गेट दिस क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग अगेन? ये हम यही कर रहे थे कि एक्सटेंडेड प्रोड्यूसर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इसलिए चाहिए कि जो इफ द प्रोड्यूसर इज मेकिंग सम प्रोडक्ट, वी आर मेकिंग हिम रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू कलेक्ट द वेस्ट ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट. Okay, no, Vision 365 is not sufficient. You can read, but you should read one another source. Okay, so again question number 8 was easy. Economic cost of food grains, again FCI. This is the basic principle of FCI, that it will procure the grains, so procurement cost will be there because FCI procures the grain. कोई state government procure नहीं करता है. Then distribution cost, it distributes. Okay, it distributes after the procurement, it distributes to the state government. So the procurement and distribution cost is borne by the FCI. Okay, so this, so ये है. Then in the context of any country, which one of the following is the social capital? These questions, they are very tricky questions. They are very tricky questions. Okay, question number 10. These are very tricky questions. In these type of questions, you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful in the attempting these kind of questions. Okay, so social capital answer D था, लेकिन this was a confusing question. This was a confusing question. Okay, you can look for it. Okay, then the service area approach, again this was not in news, but UPSC asks all sort of question. सो लीड एरिया अप्रोच अगेन, यहाँ पे आप इस पे भी देख सकते हो ऑप्शन में इंटीग्रेटेड रूरल प्रोग्राम, ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है, लेकिन लीड बैंक स्कीम थोड़ा सा आंसर था इसका. यू हैव टू नो दीज थिंग्स. ओके, दिस वाज द बेसिक थिंग अबाउट बैंकिंग. ओके, with reference to the management of minor minerals, this was the tricky question. It is better to sometimes leave this type of questions. It is better to sometimes leave such type of questions. Okay, it is better to sometimes leave these questions. Okay, तो आप एक बार ये देख लेना. Okay, 12, question number 12 you can leave. Then question number 13, yes, I like the question number 13. Note this down. Note this down. ये question important है. Most of the India's external debt is owed by the government entities. If you know the basic economics of India, you know basic economics of India, you know that basic economics से आप जान सकते हो कि मोस्ट ऑफ जो हमारा एक्सटर्नल डेप्ट है इट इज बाय एक्सटर्नल कमर्शियल बोरोइंग. एक्सटर्नल कमर्शियल बोरोइंग, तो एक्सटर्नल कमर्शियल बोरोइंग ये तो प्राइवेट एंटिटीज करते हैं. देयर इज नो रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एंटिटीज. सो स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 again goes wrong. All of the India's external debt is denominated in the US dollars. Just think, is it possible? No, we have loan from Japan, we have loan from many countries, so that loan is Japanese loan, it is in yen. So again, by common sense, again, you don't need to be expert in economics to solve such kind of question. That is my approach here. मैं आप लोगों से यही कह रहा हूं कि you don't have to be expert here. You don't have to be expert here. You can solve these questions very easily. Very easily. Okay, so 13 was that type of question. Which of the following is not included in the assets of commercial bank in India? कमर्शियल बैंक के एसेट्स में क्या चीज नहीं होंगी? उनके एसेट्स से जो हमारे डिपॉजिट्स होंगे वो उनका एसेट तो नहीं होगा, बिकॉज दैट विल बी आवर एसेट. ओके, read the question carefully, read the question twice. The answer is there in the question itself. Answer in the question there itself. Okay, you have to read the question very carefully, very carefully. Okay, in the context of India, which of the following factors contributes to the reducing the risk of currency crisis? Yes, these are the conceptual questions. These are the conceptual questions. You have to apply your mind here. In the conceptual questions, you have to apply your mind here. The foreign currency earning in the India's IT sector, ये तो हमारे लिए अच्छा. Following factor contributes to the reducing the risk of currency crisis. Again यहाँ पे increasing the government expenditure. Okay, यहाँ पे ये जो आंसर है यहाँ पे आपको conceptual understanding लगती है. This you can cover from श्रीराम IAS. श्रीराम IAS का जो बुक है वो बुक से भी हम कवर कर सकते हैं. Okay, the basic economics can be covered from the Shriram IAS book. Very good book, and you can cover the entire basic economics from that. Yes, see the interesting thing again. Question number 16. Many people got confused and left this question. They would attempt the Himalayan natal question. We will see that question again. जो Himalayan natal का आगे है. This is the difficult question, Himalayan natal. ये सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप कौन सा क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करते हो और कौन सा क्वेश्चन आप लीव करते हो. Which question you attempt, which question you leave. So if you are not able to select those things, then it is difficult for you. Okay, so this type of question, this was an easy question. You at least आपको पता भी नहीं है तो ये क्वेश्चन में आप रिस्क ले सकते हैं. Okay, तो आंसर था सरकारी या कमीशन. Then which of the following you should, ये क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 में people get confused between promissory notes and participatory notes. Promissory notes and participatory notes. तो अगेन आप श्रीराम IAS एक बार पढ़िए, आपका सारा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा इकोनॉमिक्स का. Your all the concepts regarding economics will be clear. Okay, then question number 18 again ये क्वेश्चन में पढ़िए. Read the first statement. As per law, the compensatory afforestation fund management and planning authority exist in both national and state levels. You know, CAMPA is there and state afforestation fund management is there. Statement number 1 is right. Now see the second question, second statement. People's participation is mandatory. When can we do the mandatory things for people? नो, इंडिया में तो कभी नहीं. इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट कुछ भी मैंडेटरी करेगा, लोग तो नहीं करेंगे. ओके ओके, जब 97 था, ओके, दैट टाइम सम थिंग्स वर मैंडेटरी इन द पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल अप्रोच. गवर्नमेंट वाज वेरी सीरियस अबाउट दैट टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ 1%. ओके, बट हम मैंडेटरी कर सकते हैं कुछ नहीं. नो, वी कैन नॉट डू दिस थिंग्स मैंडेटरी. ओके, तो पीपल्स पार्टिसिपेशन इज मैंडेटरी in the compensatory afforestation. So this question is wrong. This statement is wrong. See, again here I have not applied anything. I have just applied the common sense. मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ, again यही बातें करनी है. Okay, see that statement number 19 question was easy. Then 20th, again based on the static facts, the 5-year plan. 5-year plan important है. See the question number 1 itself. 1 number question तो directly wrong हो जाएगा. In the from the second 5-year plan, there was a determined thrust towards substitution. Substitution कैसे हो सकता है? Substitution is substitution नहीं किया था हमने. नेहरू महालनोबिस प्लान से हमने तो बेसिक इंडस्ट्री पे फोकस चालू किया था, right? So this is the approach you need when you solve the paper. Okay, and we are going to focus on this approach only. The prelims initiative which I was talking about, every test we will discuss the paper like this. Every test we will discuss paper, every paper like this. So there will be reinforcement on your thought about the approach which is needed to solve the prelims paper. And I don't know, is there any class out there who will speak like this? Okay, so you need some kind of approach to solve the questions. There will be multiple people who will tell you the sources. Multiple people. Okay, multiple question people will tell you how what to read. Nobody will tell you how to read, what not to read. Nobody will tell you. Okay, so we will go for the direct focused approach to solve the prelims paper. That's why we are starting this initiative on the demand of the students. On the demand of the students. Okay, I will address the questions later. Then question number 21, which reference to Constitution of India, consider the following statements. No High Court shall have the jurisdiction to declare any central law to be constitutionally invalid. अगर आपको पता भी नहीं है, in newspaper you multiple times read कि बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने ये किया, कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट ने ये किया. तो आप बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट, कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट is are they are managing the, okay, they are managing these things. Okay, तो ये सारी चीजें फोकस करना. 21 again पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. Okay, then 22, yes, see the question number 22. See the question number 22. Again basic economics question about Madhuri, please you have to mute your video. You will find that at the bottom. You will find that at the bottom. You have to mute your video. Okay, the video symbol will be there. You have to mute that. Okay, so see purchasing power parity. Here the first statement explains what is PPP. Now PPP बता दिया, आपको लगता है कि you go by the feel, you will feel that it is right. Now see the second statement. In terms of PPP dollars, India is the 6th largest economy in the world. This is a confusing question. हम nominal economy है 6th, PPP से हम 3rd है. PPP से हम 3rd है. Okay, so these questions will help you to get into the list, because these questions are easy questions, but most of the people will falter at these places. Okay, so focus on this. With reference to the again see the interesting question. With reference to the cultivation of the kharif crops in India in the last 5 years, consider the following statements. Read the questions carefully. Area under rice cultivation is the largest. Chalo, mujhe pata nahi hai. Let's say I don't know this. Okay. Second statement. Area under the cultivation of jowar is more than that of the oil seeds. Area of the cultivation of the jowar. Now, jowar is cultivated only in the western states of Maharashtra, maybe in the Karnataka, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. And oil seeds are cultivated in many states. And also see the fourth statement. See the fourth statement. Area under sugarcane cultivation has steadily declined. No. Area under this sugarcane has not declined. Okay. So these statement again 4 भी आप wrong कर देते हो तो आपका definitely answer मिल जाएगा A. Question number 23. A. Yes, that is my approach here. That is my approach here. Okay. So please do this. Then among the agriculture 24 was static and it was in current affairs. This was in from the economic survey. Question number 24, it was from economic survey. Then question number 25. Just a second. Okay. Yes. 25 in the context of polity in India, which of the following would you accept as most a definition of liberty and all these things? They are very tricky questions. Before attempting, you have to read twice or thrice. Okay, because all the options you will feel they are right. All the options you will feel they are right. Okay, these are tricky questions. So you have to read them very carefully. Again, see the question number 26. Again, this is a conceptual question from economy. Conceptual question from economy. Okay. Here also you have to apply your common mind and read the economy properly from the Sriram IS. You will solve this question very, very easily. ये क्वेश्चन देख लेना 27 क्वेश्चन 27 द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया द स्टोरेज ऑफ पेमेंट सिस्टम डाटा storage of payment system data. This was again current affairs, it was in news. Again, this is from Vision IS. Okay, now storage of payment system data. See the question number 1. They shall ensure that the entire data relating to the payment system operated by them are stored in a system only in India. Let's say I don't know this, it is correct or not. They shall ensure that the system are owned and operated by public sector enterprises. This is the infringement on the policy of the private sector. So they won't be accepting this. So again, here apply your common sense. Friends, prelims is unpredictable stage of the preparation. Prelims is unpredictable stage of the preparation, and you have to be very careful while applying your mind. Okay, so when you solve the prelims paper, so you have to be very attentive. I interact with the paper. I totally interact with the paper. Totally interact with the paper. So for 2 hours, my entire attention is focused only on the paper. The video I am suggesting to you, the symbol video, you can see that on a YouTube channel, Yogesh Patil. And that's why I decided to start this prelims initiative. That's why I decided to start this prelims initiative. Because see, there will be number of test series. Vision is there, Insights is there, I don't know, many IAS. Select IAS, Success IAS, Guru IAS, Gyan IAS, I don't know, there are multiple numbers. Okay, but these corporate classes, again, I'm not criticizing them because the material provided them by them, everybody uses it, even I use it. But when it comes to the focused personalized attention, they are not able to provide it. That's why the initiative started by me. The focused personalized attention is the integral component of that. Okay, so moving forward, ये देख लेना, which of the following, ये कितना easy question था, question number 28, GDPR, आप इसे भी कैसे wrong कर सकते हो? Question number 28, how can you get this question wrong? So please again, ये क्वेश्चन सारे बहुत इजी है, बहुत इजी है. Please these questions you should not get wrong. Then money multiplier, this is a concept given in the NCERT 12th macroeconomics. आप जाके देख लेना, it is given in NCERT. Money multiplier. Okay, so this was an easy question. Yes, question number 31. Anthro students, be alert, be alert. If any anthro students get this question wrong, then why did you take anthropology as your optional? PVTC, number of PVTC, you know there are 75 PVTCs. Read the statement third, there are 95 PVTCs. I know maybe this. See again, why it was in news? This Bonda tribe that was again 2018 में same question था. 2018 में there was a question about PVTG and granting the forest rights to them. That's why we solved the previous year question papers. That's why. Okay, so in the test series we are going to start, there will be many discussion on the previous year questions also. I will try to focus on all the previous year question papers, at least 2016 say, 2015, 16 say, all the question paper I will discuss in the next 10 days itself, because that will give you an idea, to focus more. The initiative will be starting, the previous year discussion will be discussed in that previous year questions. So once you know the option 3 is wrong, you will definitely directly get the answer C, 1, 2 and 4. Friends, again I am telling you, don't run behind reading notes, reading material. Don't be a collector of collecting notes. आपको actual में collector बनना है. Just don't become the collector of collecting notes. Okay, तो ये थोड़ा सा दिमाग अप्लाई करिए. Article 142 again, polity question, easy question. Polity के question again, write this, note it down, note it down, note it down, note it down. I will mark all the static questions right. I will mark all the static questions right, because static questions are free hit. If you are scoring 1 run on the free hit, then what is the importance of free hit? Free hit के ball पे there should be 6, must be 6. All the static questions, they are free hit. So you will at any cost get that question right. Friends, if you get that question wrong, you are not losing 0.67 marks, you are losing 2.67 marks. Because that was an easy question, your competitor have solved that question right, and you are getting that question wrong. So static questions, write down, I will mark every static questions right. So क्योंकि करंट का हमें करंट what they can ask, there is no limitation. Current they can ask anything, but for static at least we can read polity, we can read economics, we can read geography, art and culture, modern history. So here in this initiative also we will be focusing on the important topics. Important topics का जो static है वो बहुत अच्छे से cover करेंगे. Okay, so moving forward. Then with reference to the Legislative Assembly of State in India, the second statement, when a state legislature does not have a rule on a particular matter, it follows the Lok Sabha rule on that matter. Where is it mentioned? So if you don't know, then why would you assume it? No, don't assume such type of things. Don't assume it. Okay, so the second question goes wrong. Question number 34, it is a difficult question. Don't attempt such type of question. I'm not even reading it because I would have left that question, and I have left that question. Okay, then 35. 35 is confusing question, because there was a recent amendment in the Indian Forest Act. They removed the bamboo. they removed the Bombay as minor forest produce. Okay, so यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक था एक कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चन. अगेन सी हाउ दे फ्रेम द क्वेश्चन. देयर वाज अ like there was an issue in the current affair and they are framing question on that. This is how they ask the question from the current affairs. अभी पता चला how they frame the question from the current affairs. And people they go mad कि sir what should I read in the current affairs, sir what should I do, that what should I. These are important topics which were there in the current affairs and they have asked the question based on important topics only. Okay, so always try to focus on those things. Moving forward, which of the following constitution article, if you get this question wrong, then what would happen with you? This Hadia case was in news entire year and just Supreme they asked this question based on that. Okay, so this question was again simple question. Question number 37. Yes, I would not have attempted that question. Again, this question number 37 was wrong. But यहाँ पे एक हम कर सकते थे. In India, there is no intellectual property appellate board. अभी चलो, if I don't know this, then I can mark this option wrong. There is no intellectual property. थोड़ा सा guess कर सकते कि यार intellectual property का कुछ तो भी होगा उसके साथ. There must be something. Okay. So यहाँ पे you could have said कि yes. That option was wrong. Okay, so two अगर two option statement two भी गलत कर दे तो you can eliminate option number B and option number D. You can eliminate option number B and D. Here again you are minimizing the risk. Minimizing the risk. Okay, so these things you have to follow. Okay, moving forward. Question number 38. Again, this was a difficult question, but see again here. Question EPA state the requirement of the public participation in the process of environmental protection. Again, why it will state the requirement of public participation? This is the act. It will do its work. So again, statement 1 goes wrong. This is how you have to read the question. Attempt करने का तो आगे है. First, it depends on how you read. Okay, so आप पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ना सीखिए. Then after that आप बाकी आप attempt कैसे करोगे? That is the next thing. Okay, so then as per the solid waste management units, which one of the following statement is correct? Which one of the following statement is correct? 39 में see ये भी न्यूज में था that rules provide for the exact and elaborate criteria. Okay, ये न्यूज में था. Again, this was a simple question. Then question number 40. Question number 40 में statement number 2 देखिए. No notice of termination of the employment. अगर ये temporary employment है, then why would he give the notice? So this is one reform in the labor reforms. So it is easy for the employer to do these things. So थोड़ा सा employer के बाजू में है, so that more employment can be generated and it would be easy for the employer also. Okay. Now see, after solving the 40 question, after reading the 40 question, there comes the portion of the science and technology. So it was a big relief for me. It was a big relief for me that after solving this 40 question, I जो OMR sheet पे I marked only 10 questions. Okay, OMR sheet पे I marked only 10 questions. Okay, so then I went for the science and technology and I solved every question right, almost 90% of the questions. Okay, so augmented reality. यहाँ पे देख लेना statement reverse किया है. You know the virtual reality. Okay, that virtual reality box we use that equipment. Okay, virtual reality में everything looks virtual, right? यहाँ पे that is the simulated environment created in the physical is completely shut down. जब हम वो equipment लगाते हैं, yes, the physical world is completely shut down. So this is just apply your common sense in the science and tech questions. I won't be discussing the science and tech questions. Yes, Denis Owens was entirely in the news. It came. I now also I remember it was on the last page of the Hindu. Last page of Hindu. Denis Owens. Again, very simple question. You cannot get these questions wrong. Moving forward, rest of the questions from the SNT I won't be discussing. Yes, I would be discussing this. Question number 45. Question number 45. Question number 45. In the context of wearable technology, which of the following tasks accomplished by wearable devices? Wearable devices के क्या task achieve होंगे? Location identification of a person, sleep monitoring of a person, assisting the hearing impaired person. जब भी science and technology, note this down. These type of elimination technique we will use in this program. These type of techniques for every subject we will use this program. For SNT, can be, could be, maybe, everything is right. Almost 90%. Almost 90% everything is right. Can be, could be, maybe, जो भी होगा साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से सब कुछ पॉसिबल है. Okay, so this is like that. थोड़ा सा बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का पोर्शन कर लेना, बिकॉज बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का पोर्शन से ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. ओके, सो देन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, कैस 9 अगेन न्यूज में था. देन दिस ग्रेविटेशनल जो ये था न्यूज में था. अगेन ये 51 से थोड़ा सा स्टैटिक क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होते हैं. स्टैटिक क्वेश्चन, जागीरदारी एंड जमींदारी. दिस वाज अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन, यू नो दैट. लैंड रिफॉर्म्स. लैंड रिफॉर्म्स का एम क्या था? मेजर providing agricultural land to all landless. That was the only aim we had, right? The global competitiveness report, सब रिपोर्ट करने हैं. जो भी मेजर रिपोर्ट है सब रिपोर्ट करने हैं. ओके, consider the following statement about the Charter Act of 1830. Read the statement number 3. The revenue of India were now controlled by the British Parliament. British Parliament कब आता है पावर में? After 18 में crown takes over after 1858. Crown takes over after 1858. ओके, तो ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट का तो यहाँ पे कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. ओके, so this is how this question again goes wrong. This statement goes wrong, statement number 3, and you will get directly answer your A. 54 statement, 54 question, you will get directly answer A. So I discussed how the approach should be. I would like to discuss some special questions. Some special questions is like which question I would like to discuss is, just wait. Yes, mapping questions. Again, Swadeshi movement, this was an easy question. Organizations, yes, organization question, this was again easy question. Organizations one, जो 56 है, which हरप्पन साइट. ये हरप्पन साइट जो सोहागुरा था, ये चमुदारो एंड कोटदीजी वी नो, बट देसलपुर एंड सोहगौरा जो है थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है. अगर आपको पता नहीं है, डोंट फॉल इन दिस ट्रैप. ओके, sometimes it is better to leave. Okay, 58 again, 58 is again difficult. 59 easy one on art and culture. Then 60 again difficult question. ये जो मेडिवल से आते हैं, अगेन पीपल लिसन, मेडिवल से 2 क्वेश्चन आते हैं. आप इकोनॉमिक्स को भी सेम टाइम दे रहे हो और मेडिवल को भी सेम टाइम दे रहे हो, इट इज नॉट जस्टिफाइड. यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज योर प्रिपरेशन. ये मैंने बात कल भी कही थी, आज भी कह रहा हूं. You have to prioritize your preparation. Okay, yes, question number 63. Question number 63, all the mapping questions, all the mapping things will be covered in this initiative. All those things would be covered in this initiative. Mapping की सारी चीजें हम initiative में cover करेंगे, because I personally like the mapping and I It will be on your fingertips. Now ये देख लेना question number 63. Now Pandharpur is Chandrabhaga. Those people from Maharashtra, they know this, that Chandrabhaga. Again, people from Maharashtra, if you don't know, just remember this song, Chandrabhagecha Tiri Ubha Vitevari. Sometimes you have to remember from songs also. Logic can be anything. Logic can be anything. You have to get the question right. People from Maharashtra, they know this. Okay. Yes. Tributary. We will be doing this. Yes. Yes. Everything related to rivers, we are going to compile this. I have already uploaded videos related to this. Already uploaded. Then Tiruchirappalli Kaveri. तिरुचिरापल्ली कावेरी. हम्पी जो है, हम्पी मलप्रभा में नहीं है, तो ये जो शायद तुंगभद्रा रिवर पे है हम्पी. ओके, जो थोड़ा बहुत मुझे पता था दैट हम्पी इज लोकेटेड ऑन द तुंगभद्रा रिवर. सो बाय दैट अगेन एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक यूज के द क्वेश्चन आंसर बिकम्स ए. Okay, so this technique I applied. The major questions we have discussed which were difficult one. Okay, again the mapping question, अगस्त्य मलाई बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, ये भी मैपिंग से है. ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. यहाँ पे भी अगेन इन दिस इनिशिएटिव आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू रिमेंबर 102 नेशनल पार्क, 50 टाइगर रिजर्व, 37 रामसर साइट्स, 40 the sites of this cultural sites, everything we will be doing in this. Okay, so 68 again easy question. See the question number 69. अभी यहाँ पे यार देख लेना थोड़ा बहुत, सी द अप्लाई द कॉमन माइंड हियर. इरावदी डॉल्फिन, यू नो द इरावदी रिवर, दिस इज देयर इन द म्यांमार. नाउ द इरावदी के साथ बाकी भी जो रिवर्स है, जो इरावदी डॉल्फिन मिलती भी है वहां पे इरावदी में. लेट्स से कि बाकी भी क्वेश्चंस बाकी भी जो डॉल्फिन है इंडिया में भी कोस्ट लाइन पे मिलती होंगी, लेकिन चंबल, चलो आपको पता भी नहीं है चंबल, लेकिन आपको पता तो है चंबल का डाकू कौन था. तो यू नो द चंबल इज इन मध्य प्रदेश, चंबल इज इन सेंट्रल इंडिया. सो इज इट पॉसिबल, चंबल में तो पानी भी नहीं रहेगा मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट अ पेरिनियल रिवर. So how can dolphins live there? How can dolphins live there in the Chambal? तो आप सिर्फ ये लॉजिक अप्लाई करिए. यू नो द स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 इज रॉन्ग, यू विल गेट द आंसर राइट, दैट सी. This approach we will see in all the tests. This approach we will see in all the tests. This is my, and we see the last question, question number 100. Question number 100 and we will be concluding the session. Okay. So question number 100 में देख लेना सिर्फ. Okay. Yes, everything. Yes, mapping section सब भी होगा उसमें, mapping cover होगा. Yes, everything related to mapping will be covered in that. Okay. Question number 100 में देख लेना. Read the question number 1. Statement number 1. Under Ramsar Convention, it is mandatory on the part of government of India to protect and conserve all the wetlands. All. हमारे यहाँ पे 500 wetlands है. Are we conserving 500 wetlands? No. There are some 40 wetlands. So directly statement number 1 goes wrong. And you will left with 2 options only. Okay. So this is the approach to solve the paper. And if you go by this approach, then definitely you will clear this exam. Okay. So that was, people, that was from my side, that the reason behind starting this initiative is the demand of the students. Okay, demand of the students. People demanded that some initiative like this should be started, and we are going to start this initiative. Okay, we are going to start this initiative, and administration shared the details of joining this initiative. They have shared all the details. They have shared the details here. Okay. Oh, so yes, you can contact me on Telegram. I will be there available for you. And the features in the important feature of this initiative is one-to-one interaction with me. One-to-one interaction with me is most important thing here. one-to-one interaction with me, group discussions, because peer discussions are very important. Everyone is equally talented. We can learn many things from them. So they have shared the Telegram group. All the details of joining this program are shared there. So you won't regret this by joining this program. I'll be there with you. Okay. Yes. Those people who are appearing for the 2020, definitely you can join. It doesn't matter if you are appearing in 2020, then you can join. Rupal, the two sources are, let me address the question first. Two sources are Vision and Insights. Okay. Vision and Insights. Let me address the queries. Vision 365 is not sufficient. Okay. Then if one element we can get the answer right. Okay. So there are no queries related to the exam. Okay. So mapping will be covered. Then current affair peer discussion on the current affairs will be there. Peer discussion on the current affairs will be there. Revision is important. Again, revision will be covered in that. So we will try to revise everything. Okay. Economic survey ka summary is enough. Summary is enough. Yes, a beginner can join. A beginner can join. If you are appearing in 2020, everybody can join. So we are starting from tomorrow. So make sure that you are participating in this initiative if you like it. Okay, there is no mandatory here. And these sessions I will try to yes, will try to give more analysis about prelims on every question on every paper. Okay, so accuracy not increasing the test series, we are going to work on these questions and win these topics also. Okay, so thank you all of you. Thank you all of you for joining this session, and we will conduct such more sessions. So all the best to all of you. All the best to all of you, and take care. Take care. Okay. So stay safe. And the details of the program, they are shared on the channel. You can refer to them. You can contact management regarding that. If you have any special doubt, you can discuss with them. If you have more doubts, you can discuss with me. Okay. Yes. All the best and good night. Good night to all of you. Good night. Take care.